In some of the non-parametric tests, we make use of what is called the sign. And then, for instance, if we talk about the sign rank test, we are going to use something that's called the sign. So let's have a look at what the sign means. What it actually does, it takes each of the values and it attaches a sign to it. Now, there's only one of two signs that can be attached to something. That's either a 0 or a +1. Those are the two signs that you attach to each value in your data set for all the groups, for all their values. Now, imagine there we're given the sample and we have values there. You see them there, 2 10s, 12, 12, 13, 14, 14, 16, 19, 21, 21, 23, and 24. So imagine that's our sample. Now, our sample size there, you can see is 13. You can work out the median, that's 14. But we can ask ourselves a question now. Is the true population median out there, is it 17? Now, to do that, we assign these values, either 0 or +1 to these. Now remember we said for non-parametric tests they either have to be ordinal categorical, so we've got to order them, or numerical. Now numerical data we can always, those are numbers, we can order them in ascending order, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's some order to those values. So we do that, and our sample it was already ordered. And what we would do is, if we ask the question 17 in this instance, every value that is 17 or less, we assign, let's assign the value 0. And for every value that is more than 17, we'll assign a +1. And all we do is just add all of those up. Now imagine 17 was the median. What you would expect is equal on both sides. So that would have added up to 6. Remember, there were 13 values. So we would have 6 on either side to make 12, and the 13th would have been in the middle. So we would have expected, if 17 really was the median, we would have expected a value of 6, because 6 would have been more and 6 would have been less. The 6 less, we would have given a 0 to. The 6 zeros to, and the 6 more we would have given +1s to, and that would have added 6. But we got to 5 here, so we can start saying that 17 probably isn't the true a median as far at least as this sample is concerned. So that is assigning a sign to each of your data points. In the next section, we're going to look at ranking them.